Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with these 4 cubes from Dollar Tree, and I am going to glue them all together in a square. So I'm just adding a little bit of wood glue to the sides that are going to be glued together, and then I'm just pushing them all together. So now I've made like a square out of the little cubes. Next, I'm going to take some Dollar Tree Jenga blocks. I'm going to glue one to each side of the square. So right in the center of each of the cubes. And then I'm going to let that dry so that it ends up like this. Then I'm going to take 4 more of the cubes and I'm going to put them on the end of each one of these Jenga blocks, but only halfway because I'm going to put another one on the other side. So again, just gluing these on so that they're half on that one. And then I'm going to flip it over and then I'm going to add the Jenga blocks to the top of these cubes on the other half of it. So I kind of left a little bit of room like a ledge. Then again, using my wood glue, just putting some wood glue in there, and then putting those Jenga blocks on top of the little cubes. And then I'm going to let that all fully dry. Once that was fully dry, I'm going to take this fishbowl vase from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take some of these Dollar Tree rocks. They're just like the mini stones. I'm going to dump those right into the bottom of that. You can fill it as much as you want. I just did kind of a small layer on the bottom. Then I'm going to take some clear school glue from Dollar Tree. I'm going to fill the bottom right up to the top of those rocks. And just kind of shake it down, let the bubbles come out. Then I'm going to take a Dollar Tree Succulent and I'm going to stick that down right inside in the middle of all of the little stones. Then I'm going to let that dry overnight. It took about 24 hours for that to dry thoroughly. I just set it in front of a fan overnight. Next, I'm going to take some of the antique wax. I'm going to wax this entire little base that we just made with the Jenga blocks and the cubes. And I'm using a paintbrush because I don't want to not get into all the little edges. That's why I'm not using my applicator. Once I have that all painted on, I'm just going to take a baby wipe and wipe off the excess. So you can just take a wipe and wipe off all the excess. And I'm going to do that around the whole entire thing. I even did the underside of it. I wanted the whole thing to be stained. Make sure that you get those tops and the sides and the whole underneath. You don't want it to look half done. And here it is, all stained and all dry. Next, I'm just going to take my little vase here and set it on top. And that is it. How stinking cute is this and how easy? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.